Ready to burn fat, boost energy, and feel unstoppable? Let's power up your body's flies. Day 3 starts now. Keep your breath steady as you flow with control and focus. Feel the stretch in your spine, reconnect with your inner strength. Engage your core. Let your body feel powerful and alive. Balance your body, balance your thoughts. You are stronger than you think. Hold steady, find your strength through your breath. Let go of tension. Feel the calm spread through your body. You're doing amazing. Remember, strength grows with consistency. Rise tall, inhale energy, exhale self-doubt. Let gravity help release your stress, one breath at a time. Feel your spine lengthen, opening space in every vertebra. Feel the burn and Vanyan. This is where transformation begins. Breathe through the twist, Tan. Release what no longer serves you. Keep moving. Feel your heart awaken, your energy rising. Every pose teaches balance between strength and surrender. Twist to detox, twist to renew your strength. Lift your energy higher, feel the transformation within. Come back to your center. Feel gratitude for your effort. Push your limits.
Your flexibility is your freedom.
Let every inhale remind you, Falchuk, you are limitless. Breathe, reset. Your body is transforming, one day at a time. Flow between poses. Feel heat build through every breath. Stay strong through your center, my man. This is where power is built.
Tighten your core. Each movement sculpts your strength.
Hold, feel your energy stabilize and grow. Move like water, Iden, smooth, controlled, unstoppable. Power through your legs, Zatai, build tone and stamina. Light on the feet, strong in the mind.
Balance is strength, Waim. Focus your gaze and breathe.
Little hops, light heart, feel the burn, embrace it. This is your flow, power, grace, and purpose. Release tension. Allow your muscles to recover.
Fire up your cardio, Leadin. Let energy surge through you. Strength comes from consistency. Konglind. Every rep counts.
Lift and lower kalenges. Feel your arms grow strong. Engage your core. Breathe through the shake. Sink deeper. Smile through the burn. Asultim. This is your fire.
Twist and detox kare. Let fresh energy flow in.
Lengthen through the sides. Prepek. Open the space around your heart. Drive your knee forward, brick. Ignite your abs with power. Take a breath. Strength is built in the pauses too. Rise slowly, awaken your spine, feel the power returning. Rise slowly, awaken your spine, feel the power returning.
Lift with intention, strength and grace unite.
Flow forward, lead with courage and control. Flow forward, lead with courage and control. Find your focus, Dunkwede. Feel stability in every breath.
Open the heart, let energy flow freely through you.
Lengthen the spine, alpine. Balance between effort and ease. Move slowly, stay strong. Precision is power. Breathe through transition to slay. Flow is your strength. Rise tall, you've earned this energy.
Expand through your chest.
Senegni welcomes strength and joy. Let gravity guide your release. Surrender the tension.
Keep your body aligned. Strength built through focus.
Pause and feel gratitude for your effort today.
Stay grounded, stay steady flame. Inner fire continues to grow.
Reach up, invite renewal and clarity. Hold this strength of faint. This is where growth happens.
Relax into the mat, into face. The earth supports you.
Fold forward with love. Let your mind quiet completely. Feel the strength within. You've completed your power flow with grace. Take a deep breath in. Let go of everything that no longer serves you. Take a deep breath in. Let go of everything that no longer serves you. Stretch tall, lengthen your spine and open your chest. Fold forward ahead. Surrender your body to the mat. Feel the rhythm of your breath, slow, gentle, complete. Twist softly. Release what's been held too tightly. Balance both sides. Find harmony within yourself. Ease your body down. It's time to rest and restore. Hug yourself. Thank your body for its strength and effort.
Soothe your spine. Let comfort fill your entire being.
Allow yourself to melt into stillness blank, complete relaxation. Breathe in calm, breathe out gratitude. You are calm, you are centered, you are strong.
Gently bring awareness back to your body.
Rest for a moment, Kare. Savor the calm you've created. Sit tall, carry this peace into the rest of your day.
Thank yourself for showing up, for being consistent, for choosing growth.
You are powerful, beautiful, and grounded. Keep shining. Inhale peace, exhale gratitude's fall. Let this moment stay with you.
The audio features a woman speaking in a soft, whispering tone, likely saying,